All right, I have a quick and dirty method if you guys, you know, don't want card slots, don't want zippers, or if you want to split these pieces that are already attached in the pattern, because I didn't know how to make fucking SVGs at the time. And I'm not fixing it, so here we go. So, you want to cover this, you want to cover this. We're in Cricut right now, so just pull up the shapes from the shape bar and pull out, you know, any shape that's going to cover it. So say you want to cover the card slots, you don't want them. Cover the entire white space that you see where card slots are. Blech. Words are hard, and I'm editing this, so let's go. All right, you see it's covered. So what I want to do is weld that together so that those holes are no longer there. So you're going to highlight, make sure all of it's highlighted. You're going to come over here and you're going to click combine and then weld. Bam, your holes are fucking gone. Now that my holes are back, if I want to split these pieces for whatever reason, I can move it to the center of where they meet. Technically they don't meet, there's a little space, so I'm gonna make that the same length, a little bit more, just so I make sure I get everything, and then I'm gonna widen that up. Once you have that covered, you know, highlight everything. And then it's not working for me right now because mine are already split, because that's just how I did it in my own. But normally the slice would be highlighted. You would click that and it separates them for you. So I can't show you what it looks like, but it'll be there. Same goes for the guy that, you know, you're supposed to rivet in on the outside of the coffin. I personally don't even use that spot anymore, and I don't even want it to cut it. So if you don't want it to cut it, add a little bit, words are hard. So yeah, just, you know, pick a color, cover that hole, highlight, combine, and weld, and then bam, the hole is gone. And one last trick here, I keep getting asked if we have a window for it, and I don't have a window, and I'm not going to upload it because my files are fucking everywhere right now. So I'm going to make the width of this next box 2.55 inches by 0.16, because that's about the height that I want from that top card, the bottom card slot, not the top one. So I'm just going to line that up real quick. Close enough. So that's where I want my window to sit, right there. So I also want to make sure that those items are centered. So I'm gonna move or hide that real quick, and then I'm gonna highlight these two and center horizontally. See, it was a little bit off, so now it's completely centered. So I'm gonna open that piece back up if I could find where it just went. Fuck. There we go. All right, so now I'm going to get rid of that tiny little square that I made to line that up. So here you are going to highlight both of these with two separate colors, and then you're going to hit slice. That is going to make a window for you. So now we're going to remove those little pieces, delete them, whatever. So now we have this. I forgot to mention that I pulled a shape that had the rounded edges, and I made it 3.5 by 2 inches to make that window. So that's what the purple size is. Whoops. So from here, you need a little bit of modifications to complete that. So what I suggest is putting your clear vinyl behind this section, and then you're going to need your ribbon. So you're going to need to top stitch through all 3 layers of the ribbon, the vinyl, and the clear vinyl at the bottom here. Now for the top, it's a little bit different. So you're going to top stitch here through just the vinyl and the clear vinyl, okay? Because we want that to be solid. You don't want to close it there with the ribbon, because then you can't get anything in there. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to skip that, and we're going to top stitch that ribbon down at the bottom of this next card slot. So you're going to go ahead and top stitch there with that down. So now when you go to make your next card slot, you're just going to bring that ribbon up again. So we're going to top stitch here, then fold down and complete your card slots as they are written in the pattern. I hope that helps and is not confusing. Good luck. Have a nice day.